Hey yo, what's up? Let's build a drift car. I want to build a rear wheel drive, 4-cylinder, turbo torquey ass drift car. Let's get it.
What is this?
Humpty Dumpty looking ass car, but yeah, at this stage of the video, I was still very indecisive. Not indecisive, but I was allowing my creative juices to run, so still choosing what to make. I was going for the E50 body, but stay tuned. So yes, for this build, I wanted a drift car, so I wanted a lot of torque, and I opted for the titanium piston rods, basically.
Can I get a more power, baby? A more power, baby! Testify! A more power, baby! No low power, baby! Only more power, baby!
Yeah, so for the valve cover, I was thinking I don't want to go with crazy colors because I did a fair share of valve covers before. I had white, blue, but I'm thinking gold because I never did the gold and I saw it done before and it looked nice. Looks like the premium standard. Probably make the intake a slight metal goldish color too. We'll see how it goes. Finally, the sound check. Let's get that sound check done.
Listen to the video. Y'all doing the floor. Why do I like that? Hold up. It can't be so easy. It can't be so easy. Hold up. I want to experiment a bit.
Alright, so we got a little S13 build going on, yeah, a little inspiration, but I wasn't feeling it entirely. Alright, so I like to play with the vents. Let me grab a vent, move this a bit wider, make this a bit wider. Oh my gosh, it looks like a Dodge or a Camaro or something. So, you want to be like your father? My son, there can only be one. You can never be like me. Never. This does not look like a drift build no more. But we're gonna wing it.
Oh yes.
I wanna make sure that them vents see through, bro. There we go. Now we can see the engine and the intercooler. Okay, the intercooler is actually in front of the engine. But I fucks with it. Play around with these lights. I'm looking for like a square light, man. I think a square light with heat. Yes, sir. Check it out real quick. But I wanted like a retro but futuristic as well. That's what this car needs. So I'll just play with this a bit. Nah, this look too muscular, bro. This look too muscular. Yep, I created a beast. I mean, look at it. It looks like something Dominic Toretto should drive. Like, look at this car. This is meant for a bald-headed man. This is not no kid's driftmobile. But trust me, guys, let me cook with this one. Yeah, I don't know, guys. This thing's looking like a Jetta, looking like a Ferrari 288, if that's the name, but I'm fucking with it. Look at my face, bro. Come on. All I need now is to make this grill look a bit more neater, you know. I want a clean look.
Yeah, boy.
Is this a Jetta or not? A VR6 or not? Cause I'm feeling it, man. It's just a little more sporty. But check the bumper added, check the MR2 pins at the bottom. Just my own style, you know what I'm saying? But I'm liking it. I'm liking it.
Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
Okay, right now, so we had to pick the mags, you know. Me, I'm a bit of a stance boy, so the mag options gotta be right. And after the mags, it's gotta be the fitment. But for now, I'm going with the PBS style. It's giving good shit, you know what I'm saying? Which we like here down in South Africa. If you know, you know.
She say, look at it. No, but dat is de Volkswagen. Die Volkswagen met Ferrari.
So yes, this was the design. It's crazy how I went from wanting to make a S15 or S13 drift build first, and now we got this monstrosity. It looks like a Golf Jetta mixed with some type of Ferrari. I know Ferrari is a wild claim because they are very exquisite and most likely would not like to be tied with any of my bolts. But I like my bolts, so I don't give two anyway. I'm in awe on what this car came to be, you know what I'm saying? It looks like a bit of a Jetta, but maybe front wheel, I'm not sure, but a very lightweight rear wheel drift car. And I got the suspension set up. It can drift. Actually, this was my first car that I actually made driftable with good handling.
Oh, it drives way better than last time. Oh my gosh. I done booked in my splitter, bro. Yeah, that turbo takes a while to spool up there. This is how I'm using the straight line. What pulls though? Damn, son. Front gear, that's the last gear, guys. It's not slowing down. Damn, this thing moves. See what damage I do. Okay, none's major. I'm still gonna insert because I need my car perfect. Wait, why is there a light in the middle? Like,
end of the video, man. I know you enjoyed that. If you made it to here, of course you did, and I'd appreciate it if you give me a like and drop a comment too, to promote me to build another video, cause how else I'm gonna know what you guys are into, you know what I'm saying? So communicate with your boy and make sure you subscribe too. And I trust you enjoyed this build as much as I did. Another build is coming. I'm thinking of doing a Lotus, so stick around, man. But for now, I hope you enjoy your week further. Albertine Works out.